Hi, my name is Ken Davis. I'm a professor of atmospheric and climate science at Penn State. I've been leading a research group at Penn State for a little more than 20 years, studying how the Earth's surface influences the atmosphere. The name of our research group is Earth Atmosphere Interactions. I come from a small town in upstate New York. I studied physics in college and then moved into atmospheric science as a graduate student. My research group has spent a lot of time studying the Earth's greenhouse gas budgets, but recently we have also started to study regional air quality. Working with my colleague, Dr. Alex Zhang, we have proposed two EnvironMentors projects for this year. These projects build on a research project that we are leading with funding from NASA's Health and Air Quality Program. Let me briefly explain the research challenge. Air quality is another term for pollution. Pollution that impacts people is found close to the Earth's surface, the portion of the atmosphere that we call the atmospheric boundary layer. Wind and turbulence in the atmospheric boundary layer has a major impact on the concentration of harmful pollutants. If the air is turbulent and wind speeds are high, pollutants are rapidly carried far away from their sources. This may be a problem downwind, but often windy, turbulent conditions mean relatively good air quality near pollution sources. Conversely, when winds are calm and turbulence is light, pollutants accumulate close to the Earth's surface. These stagnant conditions lead to poor air quality. The conditions at the surface of the Earth have a strong impact on winds and turbulence near the Earth's surface. And as a result, they have a lot to do with air quality. So what do we need to learn? Humans have modified the Earth's surface in complex ways. Two human activities, agriculture, particularly irrigation, and urban development have changed how the Earth's surface alters local meteorological conditions. NASA satellites observe these complex surface conditions and can help us to simulate how agriculture and urban surfaces modify air pollution in California and Pennsylvania, two places with air quality problems and where agriculture and cities play an important role in the regional atmospheric conditions. Two students, working primarily with me, would study how irrigation and urban development have altered the turbulence and wind close to the Earth's surface, and see if NASA observations help us to understand these land-atmosphere connections. Two more students, working primarily with Dr. Zhang, would use local air pollution records to evaluate our current air quality simulations, and the simulations improved, hopefully, by NASA observations. All four students will help us to better understand how to manage air pollution, specifically in California and Pennsylvania, but more generally in any location that has similar challenges. The students will learn more about how weather conditions influence air quality, learn more about air quality in California and Pennsylvania, and learn a little about how NASA satellite data can help us to understand air pollution. The students will also learn to work with computers to analyze data sets and experience the types of challenges faced by environmental scientists every day in their research activities. Thank you for your time and for your interest in EnvironMentors.